Yo, check the audio here real quick. Yo, check the. Awesome. It doesn't sound the best. I mean, my microphone's pretty shit right now. I gotta figure out a way to fix that because I was using NVIDIA Broadcast before. And I was like cleaning it up with AI, but I'm on Fedora now. Open source, baby. Okay, yeah. So let's get this off the screen here. And discard changes. Damn, this shit's loud. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to actually remove that from there, and we're going to open this up. I have a small project file that I'm actually going to open up. Where the hell did this file go? Where did I store it? Okay. Let me dock my chat here on the right. Is there a way to like dock chat? Like, can I show that on my OBS? Stats, okay. Guess I'm just gonna have to keep live streaming open. Okay, so in here. Oh, so it's fine. It's chilling in there. Okay. So we're going to open that up. Yeah, let's actually move this to Godot projects. Close that. Shit, I actually need to reopen that. So since I am new to Linux, I don't really know how to, I mean, I have to go and manually like open up this application, but missing, let's import Godot projects, Requiem, select that, import and edit, awesome. So yeah, I don't really know how to do things like make like a shortcut or like an alias file. I know Mac is called alias. So let me go actually to my YouTube real quick. I need to spam these on Twitter. All right. Also need to open up Discord just so that way I have it open. That's another thing, like I have to open Discord for my downloads folder. That's kind of lame. Oh no, it's my programs folder. I didn't move it manually. Okay. Let's make sure I put do not disturb on. Okay, cool. And yeah, let's get it going. We're gonna listen to Nemo's Dream Space because Nemo go hard. It's just like all aesthetic ass music. Ooh, let's also turn on Blanket. So Blanket is a fun little thing. It's like a little sound machine. This is like one of the biggest reasons I switched to Linux, which is such a stupid reason. Very faintly. There we go. Bring my microphone down a bit because I was yelling there. Holy crap. Okay. So, I want to make a Doom-styled shooter. So let me actually go here and create the C# project. And then open that up. Where is the... I don't remember. Do I open up the SLN or CS Proj? JetBrains Rider! Whoa! This will answer the question, honestly. Actually, do not... Fuck it. Let's just, let's not do that. And let's do this. Let's make a new script. That's a scene. Okay, let's make a new folder called scripts. And in here, we're going to make state machine. Because I want to make a state machine. So we're going to create that and it should... What? Okay, so we're gonna change that up. I'll get that fixed here. Okay, cool. Spelled that right. We just changed the name of these streaming stuff. Cool. Hopefully more people hop in. That'd be kind of sick. Now, .net. Where you at? JetBrains Rider. Let's go. Trust and open. What does this open up? SLN? Yep. Cool. Automat for Godot. Let's pop this out. Yeah. That's what we finna do. Can I put that in the top right corner? How the hell am I gonna do this? Oh. Okay. You can just hold shift. Scroll that up. I'm just doing some side stream stuff. It's honestly not anything exciting. Okay. We're gonna put this right about here. Perfect. Now, I'm actually going to quickly set up something. Where is my, there it is. Code. So now we're here at code, and I'm going to set those properties to be, I should have really set this shit up before I started streaming. And we're going to back here. Yeah, so code whenever that is selected, window matches that, switch to code. To connect that to Godot engine. And we're gonna add that. Regular expression needs to be entered. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this manually because it'll be a lot better. Okay, so switching the code there, and then we're gonna do this. Add another screen capture. Am I using Pipewire? That worked. So I should be able to swap out like that. Cool. So alright. So in here, we made the state machine. I'm actually going to be using the state machine that I wrote for 2DPSX. Just a very bare bones one. So I'm just gonna copy that over. Oh, damn it. Log back into GitHub. I don't? Cool. Scripts. Okay. This was the state machine here. I'm actually just going to copy from up here. Oh, it kind of got fucked up. Okay, so we're gonna have something called hero movement, player movement. And then we're gonna have also something called state. Alright, just call it state. That's not good. SM state. Cool. That. I'm going to write a helper function in here. Now I'm gonna make a new utility for that. Let's go here to scripts. Oh, let's also make that, and then we're gonna have to add the Godot collections to the top. And then, yeah, let's do that up. And we're going to add in here. Let's make it based off of the node here. Actually, I'm just gonna make it a class. No, it needs to be a node. Okay, so we're gonna call this utility library. Partial. Let's make a node. Okay. So in here, we're gonna make a function called what did I? Was it a virtual function that I have it set up as? It's a static function. Okay. Player. Cool. And that. I've been out of commission for a good little bit here. So it's kind of nice to what the hell just happened? Not receiving enough video to maintain poor quality. That's tripping. Okay. YouTube just tried to tell me that the stream's getting poor. Poor quality. Audio here. Stream's getting poor. Poor quality. I think it just thinks my stream is shitty. Okay, cool. Thank you, YouTube. Good friend. So yeah, we're gonna go in here, and then we're gonna do var player equals player group get so let's just do this as player movement. That's what we called it, right? Yep, player movement. Okay. I know it's an error. Return player movement player. Cool. And now let's make a new script. And call it player movement. It's partial. Now we're going to character body it up. Cool. There we go. We should clear out those errors. Awesome. Now we need to make an SM state. Partial node. Okay. Utility library. Let's copy that bad boy. Should just return it, so I don't even need to do this conversion anymore. SM state. And she'll be like, oh, what are you doing? What is SM state? Oh, I don't know. SM state lives in GDPSX. This is code that I wrote a while ago, and I just don't really want to have to rewrite it. So grab that on here, bippity boppity boo. Oh, this state machine. Let's rename this bad boy. Can I just press F2 to rename, or is that not the case? Shift F6. What the fuck is that? State machine. This changes the name of it here. Yeah, cool. All right. So that's in. That's in. It's only declaratives that do not need to be there. So that goes. Let's rename all these. Make these all nice and pretty. Just have these little yellow lines. Shut the frick up. Alright, and that is also an ugly name, so rename state machine, shift F6, state machine. What the? Make it private? No, it can't be private. Cool. And then let's do the same thing for this. Call it shift F6, state machine, state. That's such an ugly name. Rename all that. All this should have been changed too. Awesome. And those little ugly little lines are out. Okay, so we got the state machine in there. Now we're going to need to add something to the state itself, which is going to need to be whenever enters, it goes in here. And let's actually just show the code I have set up here for the states of the first person character. So for example, while walking, code for that looked like a net. And so whenever enters in, it does base enter, base exit, and then it has a physics update here. I want to actually move the input stuff all the way into there, just so that way it's not so freaking gross. Yeah. We're going to put that into the base though. So let's keep that as reference there. And then yeah, let's go in here, add a public virtual. Can I do a virtual override? Input. And this to input. Actually, we're gonna have to write all these in here. Let's handle the input and the player. That'll actually be better. We're going to throw that bad boy out of there. So, it's all in. Okay, cool. So let's go in here. Let's add our functions that we need. So public override ready. Oh. All right. So yeah, public override ready. What the fuck are the hotkeys for move down line? Move line down, shift, alt shift down. It's moving the whole line up. Alright, I guess I'm just gonna have to do it. I don't want to have to fucking use Vim with controls. That's really painful. Let's do a physics process. Let's do public override unhandled input, I believe. It's called one the GUI control item. It hasn't been consumed by an input event has been consumed by input or it's only called unhandled input because the process is enabled, which the gameplay input, but shortcut. Instead, call before finally to handle keyboard events. Let's do unhandled. I stepped away from my damn computer for a week. Stepped away from my projects for a week because I had fucking norovirus and I forget everything I'm doing. Handled input. That's the same stuff I was just reading. Okay, let's just use unhandled input. No, fucking A, wrong one. Unhandled input, there we go. So we're going to do, we want there to be public bool, or protected, nope, public bool is crouching, public bool. We're not jumping because we're just gonna make like a Doom style game. Damn, YouTube seems super dead, so I'm just gonna move this over to Twitch.